Financial expert Terry Savage back with us. Good to see you.
Good to be here on the set.
Yeah. So let's talk about this student loan debt plan. What are your thoughts on it?
Well, my thoughts are it's unfair, first of all, to all the people who worked and paid off their loans. And it's ineffective. I mean, it will help those people. But as the government acknowledges, since they're going to extend the moratorium where interest does not accrue and you don't have to pay, the real problem is that many people, you know, student loans carry a fixed rate for the life of the loan. So there are many people out there still paying loans at 6 and 7% interest rates. They've paid back what they borrowed, and they've paid back interest upon interest, so their balances are still out there. They could just, you know, they've got the computers. The servicers are the ones that collect and get a fee, but the government, these are federal loans. Go back. Susie borrowed $23,000 in, 2004. She paid that back. She's already paid this much interest. Let's call it 2% interest a year. Forgive the loan, forgive the balance, which is now mostly interest. They aren't being creative, they aren't being fair, but they are being very political because, of course, you don't want to start making people repay 2 months before an election.
All right, next topic, mortgage demand at a 21-year low, which I suppose is not surprising.
Well, you know that mortgage rates have almost doubled since this time last year. In fact, last year at this time, they were 3%. We are now edging back up to 6%. Rates are going up. The Fed's, going to speak this week. They're going to be tough. So we have home prices slipping for the first time, a little less than 1%, but for the first time since 2011 in July. And home sales were down 6%. And home builders say they've got huge inventories. So remember the crunch of only 4 or 5 months ago, people waiting outside and making higher bids? That's over. And if you are now trying to sell your home, my best advice is cut the price now immediately because prices will slip. And if you are trying to buy a home, my advice is wait. Yes, rates may edge higher, but you're more likely to get a bargain on the price.
All right, let's get to some viewer questions. First one, what is the best way to lower a credit card bill? And do you have any tips that you can spare to help lower other bills?
I think our producer looked at the newest column up at terrysavage.com, which is all my tips about credit, because in fact, outstanding balances have been climbing. Yes, people are working and consumers are spending, but a lot of that's on credit cards. So this is the moment before you fall behind, before they know they've got you, to find a lower rate card. Go to creditcards.com to maybe transfer your balance to a zero rate card. But remember, once they've got you on that, the zero rate expires in 6 months. You better have paid off a lot because it's going to jump. So a lot of tips at terrysavage.com.
All right, next question. I am getting ready to retire and want to know, should I split my 401k savings between 2 financial advisors for safety? Should it be different than who my husband is invested with?
Oh, no, that's the absolutely wrong approach. You want to put all of this together and find one financial advisor you can trust who's not trying to sell you products like annuities and so forth, but can take a look at the big picture, when it's best for both of you or each of you to claim Social Security, how much you can withdraw, what your budget is. You have heard me say before, there's one place to go to find a fee-only fiduciary financial advisor, someone who puts your interests first, and that's at wealthramp.com. It's kind of a Match.com service for carefully vetted fiduciary fee-only financial advisors.
All right, well.
Wait, excuse me.
Oh,
sorry, producers. Robin,
yeah.
I haven't been here in a while, but I see what's going on with Mr. X. Have you announced a date yet?
No.
Okay, well, good. Because do you have a little time?
Sure.
A couple of years ago.
Depends on what your book's about.
Well, okay, here's a book for you. It's called, The New Love Deal. Everything you must know before marrying, moving in, or moving on. Now, I wrote this with my 2 friends, Gemma Allen, famed divorce attorney, and Judge Michelle Lawrence, who was a judge in the divorce court for many years. And one of the chapters, I'm just going to suggest you start with this. You just sit down with a cold glass of wine, and you start talking about how much you earn and how much you have in savings and debt and how much he earns. And then you start making a plan because, if you can't talk openly about these things, then this marriage is a little bit doomed. Exactly. Most people don't. And there's also information on maybe creating a prenup
look at she's
It's just something you might. I don't
romantic.
know who Mr. X is, so I don't know. But you might want to think. So here's an
Good
autographed
advice,
copy.
Terry.
All right, there you go. Enjoy.
Is she trying to tell me something?
I'm a money lady.
No.
I want to make sure you're
Thank
okay.
you. You
all
got
right?
my back, and it's
Okay.
good to know. It's good advice, you know? It's like you're at a different stage of life.
Marriage is a merger at
Yes.
this stage. Okay.
Yes,
All
very
right.
true. Well, if you want to ask Terry a question, you go to terrysavage.com. Terry, good to see you in person again.
Thanks, Terry. Time now for On Time.
Hey, Anna.